Zach, what does a monkey say? Right. And what does a dog say? Right. What does a lion say? Right. What about a cow? Right. And what about a cat? Right. That's a doggy. And what about a pig? Right. What about a duck? Quack, quack. What about a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. And what about a chicken? Paka. You dancing? Zach, where's your nose? Where's your nose? More? What does a train say? Are you still dancing? Is that where your water goes? I don't think so. What does a train say? Right. And what about a fire truck? Right. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.